Waimānalo, located on the east coast of Oahu, Hawaii, is a village famous for its stunning beach and tranquil atmosphere. The name Waimānalo means sweet water in Hawaiian, reflecting the natural freshwater sources in the area, such as streams and ponds. Waimānalo Beach is renowned for its soft white sand and crystal clear waters, making it an ideal destination for relaxation and outdoor activities like swimming, walking, and sightseeing. The history of Waimānalo is closely tied to native Hawaiians, who lived and thrived here through traditional practices like fishing and farming. This area is one of the oldest communities in Hawaii, and its cultural traditions are preserved through generations. In addition to its natural beauty, Waimānalo is known for wildlife conservation areas, such as the Waimānalo Conservation Area, which protects native Hawaiian species. With its beautiful beach, fresh air, and diverse outdoor activities, Waimānalo is a must-visit destination for those looking to explore the pristine beauty of Hawaii.